Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a camera test of the Huawei Y6p, and this phone give you a triple cameras on the back as you can see, and the main sensor on the back is a 13 megapixel. Then we have a 5 megapixel ultra wide and a 2 megapixel for depth sensing. On the front we have a 8 megapixel front camera on this notch, and this phone is costing around almost 21,000 PKR in Pakistan market. And in this price range you get a MediaTek Helio P22 chipset with 3 GB of RAM with a 64 GB of internal storage. Now let's show you the camera UI of the Huawei Y6p, and this phone is running on Android 10 with the EMUI version 10 on the top. In case here is the camera UI of the Huawei Y6p, you get some normal modes, you get a beauty mode as well as aperture mode, which uses a 2 megapixel depth sensor for give you a bokeh effect, and also we get a full HD with a 30 fps video recording size on the front camera as well as the back camera. You can also record videos from the ultra wide as well. As you can see in the more section, you get some these feature HDR and the panorama, and the front camera is a 8 megapixel. The front camera does not give you any aperture mode as well as the portrait mode as well. Now let's show you a lot of camera samples of the Huawei Y6p with the back camera as well as the front camera. You get better idea regarding the camera performance of the Huawei Y6p. Okay guys, and this is the full HD with the 30 fps video recording of the Huawei Y6p with the back camera. The back camera, it is only support full HD with the 30 fps video recording, and also we get the 5 megapixel ultra wide on the back, and the color, it looks like pretty good on this phone. And let me know how is the HDR work like on this phone in KC and the sun. And now let's little bit walking around, and I am just holding my Huawei Y6p with my hand, and now let's little bit running. And this phone does not give you any electronic image stabilization. So now let's see the autofocus speed, and you can see that autofocus speed, it is also good on this phone, but I really like the color reproduction, but the video quality, it is not in very good quality as far as I see on the screen. Okay guys, and this is a full HD with the 30 fps video recording of the Huawei Y6p with the ultra wide, which is coming at 5 megapixel, and the video quality, it is really soft, I have to say. But now let's little bit working, and let's see how is the video looks like in the ultra wide. Now let's little bit running, and I feel that the video stabilization, it is improved in ultra wide compared to in the normal mode. But let me know how it is looks like, and you guys are the judge of the video quality as well as the microphone quality. Okay guys, and this is a full HD with a 30 fps video recording of the Huawei Y6p with the front camera, and the front camera, it is coming at 8 megapixel. And let me know how is the video looks like on this phone walking around, and let me know how is the video quality looks like, it is bit shaking or not. But phone does not give you any electronic image stabilization with the back camera as well as the front camera. Now let's little bit running, and I am just holding my phone with my hand. We don't get any full HD with a 60 fps video recording size on the Huawei Y6p. Overall, I like color production on this phone. Let me know how is the HDR work on this phone, and the sun it is behind me. And let me know how is the video recording looks like on this phone. And thank you so much for watching this the camera test of the Huawei Y6p. Let me know what you guys think about this new Huawei Y6p regarding the camera performance. And overall, I have to say, in my opinion, the camera performance it is really average on this phone. You cannot expect very good camera performance in this price range, but overall the camera performance it is average, above average, I have to say. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.